I lived in southern Louisiana for a time and acquired some wonderful, authentic Cajun recipes while there. This is one of them. You will love the smells that fill your kitchen while this is baking and be amazed at how easy it is. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then add your butter and your olive oil to a skillet over medium-high heat. Sauté your onion and your bell pepper. The recipe calls for green bell pepper, but I had orange on hand. Then add your minced garlic and sauté for a minute longer. Add the rest of your ingredients. Along with 1/2 cup water. Then simmer for 10 minutes. Prepare a baking dish, add your fish, and top with the sauce. Then cover and bake for 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more great gluten-free recipes.